In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a Namecheap domain to Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to change so that your domain points to Cloudflare's name servers correctly and safely. First, make sure you're already logged into your Namecheap account in your web browser. Starting from the Namecheap dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu, and one of the main options there is called Domain List. Go ahead and click on Domain List. This is where all of the domains you own under this account are displayed. Once the domain list page loads, you'll see a list of your registered domains, each on its own row. Find the domain name that you want to connect to Cloudflare. On the right side of that row, there's a button labeled Manage. Click on Manage for that specific domain. This will open the domain management page where you can adjust settings like DNS, name servers, and more. On the domain management page, scroll down until you see a section called Name Servers. This is one of the most important sections because the name servers determine who controls your DNS records. Right now, it might be set to Namecheap, Basic DNS, or another provider, depending on how your domain was previously configured. Next, you'll need to change this setting from whatever it's currently on to a custom configuration. To do that, look for a drop-down menu in the Name Servers section. Click on that drop-down, and from the options that appear, choose Custom DNS. Selecting Custom DNS tells Namecheap that you want to manually specify which name servers your domain should use. Before you continue, you should already have your Cloudflare name servers ready. You get these from your Cloudflare account dashboard when you add your site there. They're usually two unique addresses that Cloudflare provides specifically for your domain. If you haven't copied them yet, it's a good idea to keep the Cloudflare tab open so you can quickly copy and paste. Back in Namecheap, after you select Custom DNS, you'll see fields where you can enter the name servers. There are normally two fields visible by default. Click into the first field and paste the first Cloudflare name server. Then click into the second field and paste the second Cloudflare name server. Make sure you paste them exactly as they appear in Cloudflare without extra spaces or characters, because even a small typo can stop your domain from resolving correctly. Once both Cloudflare name servers are pasted into the custom DNS fields, look for a green checkmark icon near the right side of the name servers section. This is the save button for your changes. Click the green checkmark to confirm and save the new settings. After you save, Namecheap will start updating your domain's name servers to point to Cloudflare. Keep in mind that DNS changes don't take effect instantly. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 or even 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate across the internet. During this time, traffic to your domain may still use the old settings for some visitors while others see the new ones. And that's all you need to do. You've updated your Namecheap domain, so it now uses Cloudflare's name servers, giving Cloudflare control over your DNS and allowing you to take advantage of its performance and security features.